In this video, we're going to talk about some protection features that are very common in power supplies. The next feature we want to introduce to you is the over temperature shutdown feature. This feature is specifically designed to protect the power supply from a catastrophic failure. With over temperature protection, the power supply has internal sensors that are built in to ensure that the levels inside the power supply, the temperature levels do not exceed their specified values. If in a situation where the power supply levels were to be exceeded, the power supply sensors would sense this and shut the power supply down completely. Now, this is also in most power supplies, this is a latching condition. And what that means is that in order to reset this condition, you'll have to disconnect the AC from the power supply and also allow the temperatures internally to be cooled down enough where those sensors would reset. And then you would be able to apply the AC back and load the power supply to ensure that that over temperature protection device is now cleared. And lastly, it's also important to understand why that over temperature happened in the first place. And there are several reasons that might be the case. The one is that the power supply doesn't have enough ventilation. Secondly, you could have a clogged filter or excessive dust in the power supply and will require you to clean that. And then lastly, you may have a situation where the ambient temperature of the actual system is higher than predicted, and it's the ambient temperature that's causing the over temperature shutdown to occur.